Hola, damas y caballeros. Bienvenidos a mi canal. What's going on, y'all? It's Mark West, CLEP Guinea Pig. I am your CLEP Guinea Pig. Today, probably the most popular CLEP exam, the Spanish CLEP exam. Yes, I'm going to do my review today. All right, yo, let's make this short and sweet. This is actually probably going to be the most easiest review I've ever done. First of all, do not take this exam if you do not have the most basic of basic foundations in the Spanish language. Please do not take this exam. You will be hurt, okay? Because the entire exam is in Spanish. All right, so if you don't understand Spanish like a little bit, don't take this exam. If you do have a foundation in Spanish, or you have a knowledge, you can communicate a little bit, you understand it, maybe you're not a full Spanish speaker, but you understand it, then you might have a chance. You might have a chance. And I will tell you to continue watching. But if you don't speak any Spanish, don't know any Spanish, just don't do this one. All right, unless you just want to now, okay, here's a hack. If you are that ambitious, and if you're that much of a go-getter, I can give you a whole bunch of vocabulary words and things you can learn with the quickness, and you can just kind of use your context clues, knowing certain articles of definition and things like that to kind of get by. If you want to try that, we can work that. Other than that, if you're not trying to take that chance, then don't waste the money on this exam. Please don't. But for all my semi and full Spanish speakers out there, yo, I got some good news. This exam, if you speak Spanish, this exam, you're going to be fine. You're going to be able to take this exam, no problem. A lot of my Spanish speakers out there, they hit me up. It's funny, they say, I speak Spanish, but they still worry, because it's a test. They still worry, but you're going to be fine. I retook this exam. I took this exam, I think, in 2017, and I was a little shook because I wasn't expecting it to be in Spanish. But, I grew up in San Diego, so I grew up around a lot of Hispanic culture. I grew up taco shops on every corner, you know what I'm saying? So I know, I don't want to say I know the culture, but I'm very familiar with Hispanic culture. A lot of my friends are Spanish, go over their house, their grandma, abuela, they speak Spanish, everybody speaks Spanish. So I don't know, it's just part of my culture growing up in Southern California. So I was able to walk away from this exam with a 38. No, I'm sorry. I'm thinking of something else. The first time I took this exam, I think I got a 42. First time I took it. And this time I took it, I did worse for whatever reason. I think this time I got a 38. I don't have my paper with me. But guess what? You're not here. You don't care about what I got. You shouldn't worry about that because that's not important. I'm the guinea pig. I go in blind for your benefit. I go in, I get the info, I come out, I share the info, I share the wealth, I share the knowledge. That's my job as the guinea pig. Your job is to take what I give you and to turn it into something amazing, you understand? So listen, yes, the test is entirely in Spanish. You're gonna be asked to read passages in Spanish, answer questions from the passages. You're gonna be given little scenarios, question and answers. You're gonna have to put some headphones on. You're gonna have to listen to some conversations, answer questions, stuff like that. Like I said, if you're a Spanish speaker, it should be no problem for you. If you are a semi-Spanish speaker or you just understand it, you're gonna want to brush up on, say, some vocabulary, some of your possessive, way you say things, las, los, some nouns. Definitely want to brush up on maybe some numbers, get your number game right, some pronouns for sure, verbs, you know the drill. So I'm not even gonna like go into resources and things like that, because I just feel like either you have a foundation in Spanish or you don't. That's my opinion from, taking it for the second time is my opinion. Get many opinions. Don't just take my word for it. Get many opinions. Find everybody who's on YouTube doing reviews on the Spanish CLEP exam. There's not many. But anyway, I'm just going to give you my notes. I'm going to give you my, things from my study guide that I put together that are valuable. And we just run through a couple things, right? We won't take a lot of time on this because, like I said, if you're a Spanish speaker, you're going to be fine. But I would just tell you, understand your nouns, right? So, for example, your masculine, your feminine, el niño, el libro, el carro, el dormitorio, la niña, la revista, la escuela, la sala, el señor, la señora, el profesor, la profesora, el estudiante, la estudiante, el atleta. How you say that? Atleta. You get what I'm trying to say, y'all. Come on. I know y'all laughing at me trying to pronounce these words. Your numbers, if you're a little rusty on your Spanish numbers, step your number game up. Your cardinal numbers and your ordinal numbers, primero, segunda, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, octavo, you already know what you got me, séptimo, you feel me? Your pronouns, yo habla español. Tú, ustedes, él, ella, nosotros, nostras, ustedes, vosotros, vosotras, ellos, ellas. You feel me? Your verbs, get your verb game right. Estar, hablar, invitar, gustar, escuchar, mirar, buscar, llama, paga, ama, trabajar, da. I'm sorry, y'all. You feel me? Come on, y'all know what I'm trying to say. Y'all got me. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Get your verb game right. Ser and estar for the semi-Spanish speakers. Brush up on that. Brush up on, ser, estar, soy, estarás. You know what I'm saying? I am, you are, he, she, it is. You feel me? Definitely the verb gustar. Definitely go over that. Conocer, saber. Definitely that. And then a big one is por versus para, right? Por and para can both be translated as for. I'm sure you all know that for the Spanish speakers out there. Por, B-O-R, por is used to express gratitude or apology, right? Thanks for the bed. Gracias por la comida, right? For multiplication and division, cuatro por cuatro son 16. Ooh, that's a tough one. 16. I knew that. 4 times 4 equals 16. You feel me? Then para is used to indicate a destination. Salgo para Cuba mañana. I leave for Cuba tomorrow. To express a deadline, right? El proyecto para la excuse me. El proyecto es para el lunes. The project is for Monday. Expression of an opinion. Para mí esto es interesante. Articles of definition. All right, definite article, masculine. El, plural los, feminine. La, plural, las. Feel me? I hope this video was valuable in some form or fashion. Like I said, all my Spanish speakers out there, guys, muy perfecto. You're gonna be fine. Semi-Spanish speakers, I still think you're gonna be fine. Non-Spanish speakers, just don't. Just don't. I'm just keeping it 100 with you. Don't. Listen, I sell study guides and I sell test prep. I wouldn't even tell you go buy the test prep and buy it to help you, even though it's a lot of information, because I don't want you to fail. That's how much I care about you. I sell a product and I'm telling you, don't buy this product, because if you do, it's probably still not going to help you if you don't have a foundation in Spanish. But, I mean, if you want to take a chance, hey, you know what? Why not? All right. Holla at me. Hit me up. I'll help you put some stuff together. 619-432-5947. Shoot me your text. Shoot me an email, mark@clepguineapig.com. That's Mark with a Q, M-A-R-Q. And thank you guys so much for watching this. Like I said, I hope I was able to give you some information. Don't panic. You're going to be fine. Hit me up and we'll talk. I'll help you guys out. Whatever you need. Stop by CLEPguineapig.com. You know, check it out. See what I got. See what you like. Some you like, some you don't like, whatever. I got a lot of free stuff too, guys. I got a lot of free videos, free information, free resources. So if you're the type of person you don't want to pay for test prep, I don't blame you. You know, I really don't. I don't blame you. But listen, if you're getting it from me, you know it's for test takers by test taker. Test taker. All right, guys. I'm sorry. I feel like I'm blabbing too much. Hey, man. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, hit me up. I'm super accessible. Holla at me anytime. Peace.